Senate mochung'ne teko wacho ni owinjo med kwan omenda e riwruok ma keyo teko stima e kor gwenge mondo ochop lek mar keyo stima e pacho kama ngima. Bang' lorre ka ging'iyo kaka chenro mopogore opogore kaunti ma Wajir dhi nyime. Komitino mane otelne gi jakom margi ma en seneta manyeri wa Matenga Wahome wacho ni piny owacho owinjo med omenda michwalo ne rerek mondo mi gichwal teko stima nyaka e kor gwenge. Gimedo ni mano biro duoko chien tiyo gi mauta ma diesel e loso stima badany ma tabraji na chiel kuom kuonde tiegruok ma osechwale stima gi rerek.
REREC has attempted to electrify certain areas, but the problem is that they would do a design of an area, of an institution with about 50 homes around, but then because of budget cuts, they will not be able to fulfill their mandate. From the oversight perspective, I can say that REREC is trying, but we are cutting their hands. Here, the design was for this technical institution and all the homes around here. But because of budget cuts, they have only managed to electrify one institution. We are spending a lot of money on fuel, spending 2.3 million shillings daily on fuel to be able to electrify Wajir town is not sustainable. We have generators which are dilapidated, which are being used by KPLC. Would rather go to a PPP project so that electricity can be here. But ultimately, the solution, even for REREC to be able to do their job, is to put Wajir County into the national grid.
Hopefully, when we go back to Nairobi, we will work together so that it will go and knock the office of the REREC and the office of the power lightning so that they can be able to get a proper supply and national grid connections.
We want to encourage the people of this area now to use the electricity to improve their socio-economic lives so that they can be able to improve the lifestyle of this place. We also want to emphasize more even on the students in this school to be able to learn more skills now since they are electrified.
We thank you. You came when we needed you very much. Remember, I said this college was almost to be cancelled. We were refused to be approved because of electricity.